Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, battery level above 20% and your charger at hand, because some steps drain battery quickly. Now open settings and go straight to display or watch face settings to avoid distractions. Tap Always on Display or Screen Timeout. This is the control that keeps the screen visible. Once enabled, you'll see immediate behavior changes. Make sure to understand whether your watch uses ambient mode versus full brightness, since that impacts battery and visibility. You now fine-tune behavior to make always-on practical. First, lower full brightness and set ambient brightness at a visible but economical level. This reduces battery draw while keeping info readable. Next, adjust wake settings, disable wrist wake or lower sensitivity to prevent accidental bright-ups. If your watch supports dim or grayscale modes for always-on, enable them. These modes maintain legibility while conserving energy. Once done, test for a few minutes to confirm the screen stays on as expected. You finish by validating the setup. Wear the watch or place it on a table and observe for 10 to 15 minutes under typical use. Make sure notifications and sensors don't override always-on. If it fails, update the watch OS and any watch face app because bugs often break always-on features. As a last resort, reset power settings or factory reset. This clears conflicting profiles. Troubleshooting tip, if still problematic. Test with a different watch face to isolate software versus hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.